I was 16 years old when I took my first class, and I stepped inside, and I was like, Mr. Thomas, this class right here, it's gonna make me cry. I hit those books, and when I studied, I swear I got so stressed. I failed the test. Mom, I failed the test. This is the worst day of my life. Limits were first, that right hand and the left. The value, a function, approaches, add and x. They are so cool. I knew I could multiply them. The properties had told me, add them and divide them. On the test I wasn't the best, but my tricks were like the pros. A 0 over 0 is impossible to find. So differentiate the bottom and the top. Then I substitute the limit and it leads me to the answer. Whoa. Thomas just wanted to test us, and we wanted to prove ourselves though. Time to study some more. Infinite limits are up next, yo. You can find the end behavior with the model that was so tight. Continuity, the left matches the right. Cause I wanted to be like Thomas, right? I wanted to get that score. I wanted to be like him. I wanted to get that 4. I had to start somewhere. I had to learn the ropes. Limits were the start, if I had any hopes. I wanna try to integrate this function now. Give me the limits to reach for, tell me what they are, and I'll try so hard. I will find the antiderivative. I'll substitute the limits in, evaluate the terms with them. Want the rate of change? Instantaneous, that is. Difference quotient, man. I just got to use it, got to do it. So helpful. Yeah, just take that limit. 100 shortcut rules instead. So I don't quit. Look at me. Look at me. I'm a math whiz. I'm an intellectual. Yeah, but I'm no Mr. Thomas. My teacher told me to use the chain rule and I used it. F prime of g of x times g prime of x. That's what he said. Look at what that graph did. See how it's concave up? The second derivative's positive. That's what's up. Constrained by these endpoints. Critical points are important too. Make a sign chart to find a max or min. Woo. We derive f of x. F of x we derive. So you see if y equals 5x, then the slope we get is 5. Well, I optimize volume of a box. Box problems help define me, but I'm trying to expand my thoughts. Try to integrate this function now. Give me the limits to reach for, tell me what they are, and I'll try so hard. I will find the antiderivative. I'll substitute the limits in, evaluate the terms with them. We ended up with the topic integrals, Riemann sums, Rm, Nrm, trapezoidal, the integral, the area between curves. Such a purpose this topic serves. Now, fundamental theorem. Part 1 evaluates from a constant to x. Substitute, now it all makes sense. The antiderivative part 2, where you might need to use u or separate the variables to make the initial condition true.